Good morning, Arnold. Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. White to play and win. Black is getting the queen, let move queen. How will you do that? How will you prevent it and win the game? White to play and win. Queen moment. Where should queen move?
Sir, A2.
Queen A2. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Sir, Arya.
Arya, correct. Now king moves to B8. What B1? What will you do? No, king moves to B3. What will you do?
Sir, B2. Sir, Queen B2.
B3. Queen?
F7.
Sir,
Queen F7.
Queen F7, then white will get a queen. No,
Sir, Queen B2. So,
Queen B2, okay. Now I'll move again here.
Sir, flip the board, sir.
Sir, Queen
White to
D4.
play. White to, oh, I have flipped, not board. I have, now I have flipped. Now can tell.
Sir, Queen D4. Sir, Queen D4.
Queen D4. Queen D4.
Queen.
Queen D5 is possible, not D4. Hello?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Queen D5. So king will move here. Okay. King will move to A. What will you do?
Sir, Queen to D5.
Queen to A5.
Sir,
Q A5.
A5, okay. Now king will go to B1. Now what you have to do? You have to bring the king. Now now you can bring the king.
Sir, Queen G.
King
Sir,
move,
Queen
king,
G7.
King.
Sir. Sir, King G6.
King G6. Now I move here. What will you do?
Sir.
Queen,
Sir, Queen
E1. Q E1.
2E1. Okay. 2E1. 1 minute. I'll move king here. What will you do?
Sir, Queen E2.
Queen E2.
Queen E2.
Now I'll move here. What will you do?
Sir, Queen C4.
Queen C4, correct.
Queen C4.
Now I'll move here. What will you do?
Sir, Queen D4. Queen D4.
Queen D4.
Queen D4.
Now I'll move king here. C1. What will you do?
Sir, Queen
Sir, Queen
E3.
to G1. G1.
Queen C3.
Sir, E3.
C3 is correct.
E3, sir.
C3 is correct. Now king is forced to move to B1. Only one. Now king can be brought. King can be brought.
Sir, King F5.
K F5.
Okay. Now K A2. What will you do?
Sir, Queen A5.
No. Queen C2 is correct. Now what will you do? Are you understanding? Today,
Sir, Queen D1. Sir, Queen D1. Sir, Queen D1.
Queen D1 is wrong. Queen A4 is Queen D1, then black to get a queen. You should
Sir.
black to get a queen. Queen D4 is A4 is correct. King B4, King B1.
Sir, King E4.
KE4, okay. Now I'll move here. What will you do?
Sir, Queen C4.
Queen C4. Now I'll move here. What will you do?
Sir, King D3.
King
Sir, King D3.
Now I'll move here. What will you do? Now I'll move here.
Sir, Queen A4.
Queen to A4.
Okay. Now I'll move King B1. What will you do?
Sir, King
Sir,
D2.
King to D.
King C3 is correct. King C3 is correct. Now King is forced to move. Now one more checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, Q A1. Q A1.
QC2. QC2 is correct. Correct. Checkmate. Did you get it?
Sir.
Can one more checkmate or two more? Raghu? Two more checkmate or one more checkmate?
One more checkmate.
One move checkmate or two moves? Which one you want, Sainara?
Sir,
Good morning, Jago. You have to join Ajay Matte?
One move.
sir, 15 minutes gap ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದಾ?
15 minutes attend ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಯಾವ್ದು? One move or two moves?
ನಾನೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಅರುಣ್ ಬಿಯು ಬಂದು
ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ? One move or two moves?
one move.
One move. Okay.
Destroying defender.
One minute. White to play and checkmate black in one or no, it's two moves.
Sir, QF2.
One minute. I'll go.
QH3.
QF2.
White to play and checkmate black in one move. White to play and checkmate black in one move. White to play and checkmate black in one move.
QC6.
Sir, QC6.
QC6, then bishop can come to B.
Sir, I know, sir.
Yes, tell me, Arnab.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, pawn C4.
Pawn D,
Sir,
pawn
pawn
C5.
C4. Sir,
Pawn
pawn
C5.
C5.
C5 is correct. Pawn C5 is correct. Now it is checkmate. Now king can't come here or here or here. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು Arnab?
What checkmate? Oh, okay.
Arnab, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು?
Potato, sir.
China, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
White to play, checkmate black in one move.
Sir,
NC6.
Sir, ND7.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. White to play, checkmate black in one move.
I took the checkmate black in one move.
Sir.
Correct. Raghav ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ ಅದು?
Yes, sir.
Come here or here. Correct.
Queen is giving check. Bishop is giving check. Or no, pawn is
Yes.
giving check.
Yes.
Even rook is giving check. It's
Yes,
triple check or triple
Bishop
check.
rook is giving check. If it comes here, bishop will give check. If it comes here, soldier will give check.
No, sir. If king comes to h6, then queen will kill. Queen.
Yes.
Even king come to f6, then pawn will kill the king.
White to play and checkmate black in one move. Correct.
Raghav.
Now king can't come here or here. Correct. King can't come here or here. Correct. Queen B8 is correct. White to play and checkmate black in one move. याद कर गो recording करता था.
Sir,
Queen G8.
Queen G8 is correct. Queen G8 is correct. Now knight can't kill.
Sir, non first ಹೇಳ್ದೆ sir.
Huh? Neen first ಹೇಳ್ದೆ. ಆಯ್ತು.
Sir, what if knight? No, knight can't kill.
Knight can't kill because rook has pinned it.
Pinned.
White to play black in one move.
Sir,
Sir,
pawn to D8. Pawn D8.
Pawn D8.
On D8.
Queen.
Correct.
Queen.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct.
King is giving check, but king can't cut it.
Yes. King can't come or here. White and checkmate black in one move.
Sir,
Bishop to
E1.
Bishop to
C1.
E1.
Bishop
To C7. Sir, bishop to C7.
King can go
Sir,
to
bishop.
B6. Bishop
Sir,
to
bishop to
C7.
C7.
Correct.
Sir, bishop to C7. Bishop.
Arnabba.
Sir, Raghav.
Bishop E1, sir.
Raghav, sir.
Bishop E1 is wrong. Bishop E1, then king can go to B6.
Sir, Raghav held.
Raghav Uma Arnab, correct. Bishop B6 is correct. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, bishop to
BF7.
F7. Sir, BF7. BF7.
BF7.
BF7 is correct. Now knight can't kill it because absolute pin. King can't come here or here.
Yes, sir. Rook is giving check.
Yes.
Sir, I have to go, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay.
Why bye?
He is having class now.
Why class is over?
No, he has got another class. White to play in checkmate.
Oh.
Full class. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, knight to B4.
Knight to B4 is correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct.
Sir, what if no. Rook is giving check.
Look, king can't come
Even
here
bishop.
or here or here. Correct.
Game over for black. Hmm.
White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, bishop to
G5,
F7, sir. Bishop to
G6,
F7.
Bishop to G6.
Bishop to F7 is correct.
Sir, none held, sir.
Can't come here or here or here. Correct.
Sir, what if? No.
No, it is not possible. Now king can't come here or here or here.
Sir, why can't king come to G7?
G7 soldier.
Then pawn.
Soldier is there, no?
Huh, sir.
Yes.
Huh, sir.
White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir,
Ari,
knight to E7.
Ari,
Knight.
sir.
Sir, knight to
With
E7.
knight,
sir, knight to E7.
with knight.
Sir, knight to E7. Knight to E7.
With knight. F5 or G6?
F5.
F5, sir.
F5 is correct. F5 is correct. Now king can't come here or here. Knight F7 is called.
Yes, even that is also correct.
Knight G7 is wrong. Then king can go.
Okay.
King can go to here. Knight F7 is correct.
Yes. King can't move anywhere. Rook is giving check. Another knight is giving check.
White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, pawn into pawn.
Sir,
Pawn
bishop
into
to D8. Sir, bishop to
pawn.
D7. Bishop to
Pawn to
D7.
pawn. E into D6 is correct. Now king can't come here or here. Rook is giving check.
Where? Yes, rook is giving check. Sir, what if king moves to no? Knight is giving check.
King cannot move. King cannot move here or here.
Game over for black.
White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, pawn to C6.
Pawn to C6 is correct. So king can't come here or here. Correct. White to play checkmate black in one move.
N40.
N percent possible.
Sir, pawn into pawn.
Pawn to pawn is correct. Now can't come here or here or here or here. Correct.
Every answer, I'm only telling every answer.
Sai Narayan is telling her. No?
Sir, I told.
Arnab or Sai Narayan?
Sir, I told.
Sai Narayan, no?
Yes, sir, I told.
White to play checkmate black in one move.
Sir, QG7. QG7.
QG7.
QG7.
Now king can't come here or here or here or here.
Sir, I said first.
Correct.
I also told, sir. I am
Correct.
Mukunda.
King can't come
I
here
am
or here or here.
yeah.
White to play. Checkmate black in one move.
Sir, bishop to b8. Bishop to b8.
Correct. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಸಾಯಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now, can we move to two moves?
Yes, sir.
White to play and checkmate black in two moves. 1 minute. Press 2 and come.
Okay, sir.
White to play. White to play. White to play and checkmate black in one two moves.
Sir, RE5. Sir, Q.
R-
Sir, Q
E8.
E8.
RE8. R
Sir, RE8, then QF7.
RE5, RE7 is correct. RD7 is correct. RD7 is correct. Now bishop kills. Now one move checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, queen to F7.
Correct. Correct. Arnabba.
हाँ sir.
Correct.
Sir, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಆರ್ಯ sir.
Arya Suryan. Arya, you know, Arya Suryanarayan.
Sir,
Arya B.
Okay.
ಸರ್ ಯೂಸರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆ ತರ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್. ನನ್ನ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಹೆಸರು ಆರ್ಯ ಸರ್.
Arya.
Arya.
ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವರೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
Arya B. Okay.
White to play checkmate black in two moves. Queen chapter 5.
Queen chapter 5.
Queen chapter 5.
Sir.
Queen moment.
QF7.
QF7 correct. Mukunda is told correctly. King into Muk.
Sir, now knight to G5.
Bishop.
Sir, knight to
Bishop
G5.
moment. Bishop moment. Not-
ND8.
No.
Sir,
Checkmate.
knight to G5. Sir,
Bishop
knight to
moment.
G7.
No. Then it's not
BG6.
BG6. Bishop B6 is correct. Now king can't come here or here or here or here. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನೋ ಆರ್ಯ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven.
White to play checkmate black in two moves.
NF6.
No, rook moment. Rook chapter 5.
Rook chapter 5.
Rook chapter 5. How is the
Sir,
color?
Sir.
RG6. RG6.
RD6 is correct. G6?
Sir, Queen G6.
Queen G6.
Sir,
Correct.
queen G6.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Checkmate.
Queen is giving check in all.
Yes. Queen is giving check. King can't come here or here. White to play. Checkmate black in.
Sir, bishop to F7. Bishop to
Sir,
F7.
bishop to F7. Bishop to F7.
Now king into F7.
Sir, now queen F1. Sir, queen F1.
Rook to
Queen
F1.
F1. Sir, queen
Queen
F1.
F1,
Queen
then it will
F1.
not be checkmate. Only one more checkmate.
Rook to F1.
No, then also it will not be checkmate.
Sir,
Queen F1, then king can move to, knight can move to F5. Only one move.
sir, pawn to G8.
Pawn to H8 is correct. What will you take?
Sir, queen.
Knight, Kano. Knight.
Knight.
No, king can't
King
come
can't
here
come.
or here.
Knight is giving check.
Yes,
Is
correct.
also rook.
Rook P7. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in two moves.
Sir, rook to
Sir-
D8. Rook to D8.
Sir, rook to F. Sir, rook to F7. Rook to
Queen,
F7.
Queen chapter 5. Queen chapter 5.
Queen to G8. Queen
Sir,
F7.
queen. Sir, queen f7, queen f7, queen
F8 is
f7.
correct. Queen F8 is
Queen
correct.
to G8.
Now rook kills. Now one more checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, knight to g7.
Knight to G7 is correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Correct. White to play.
Sir, what is
Black.
king? No.
White to play in checkmate black in 2.
Mm. Sir, pawn to
Yes.
H3. Pawn to
Sir,
H3.
Sir, pawn to f. Sir, pawn to f3.
Pawn to F3 also wrong. H3 also wrong. Then bishop
Mm.
kill the queen.
Oh. Sir, queen to what? Queen to E5.
Queen to E5 no. Then
Sir, knight to f4 and f3.
bishop
Sir,
moment.
knight to
Queen
f4.
moment. Queen chapter 5.
Queen to G4.
Queen to G4 correct. Who told Sai Narayana?
Yes, sir.
Now can you tell next move?
Sir, bishop
Sir,
to
pawn to
e.
F3.
Sir, bishop
Pawn to F3.
Bishop to G2
Sir,
is
bishop to e2.
bishop to G2 is correct. Now king can't come here or here or here or here.
Sir, I told sir.
Correct. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, Q F7.
Sir, q f.
Now bishop to F7.
Sir, rook to F7.
Sir, knight to f6. Sir, knight to f6.
Rook to F7 is correct. Rook to F7 is correct.
Knight to F6. Then queen will kill the
Knight will kill the knight.
Knight.
Knight room.
Sir.
knight or queen.
How is the class going on?
Nice, sir.
Nice, sir.
White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, knight to
No,
knight
queen
to
moment.
E6.
Queen moment. Queen moment.
Sir, queen to e7. Queen to e7, sir. Queen to
E7
e7.
tough. You E6 correct. Now soldier
Sir.
queen. Knight into pawn checkmate. If
Sir.
now bishop kills the knight, then queen F7. Queen D7. E7 checkmate. D7 checkmate.
Sir.
Sir.
White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, queen
Sir,
to
rook to f8. Rook to f8. Sir, rook to
Yes.
f8. Sir, no queen kills.
Queen kills. What do you know?
Sir, rook to f8.
First move is queen chapter 5. First move is queen chapter 5.
Then, sir, queen to h7. Queen to h7.
Queen
Q to h7.
G6 is correct. Now queen kills. Now F8.
Rook, sir. Rook to f8.
You have to deflect the queen. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಾವು ಆರ್ಯ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Sir. Sir.
White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir,
Sir,
pawn
knight
to
to G5.
sir, pawn
Knight
to
to
sir, pawn to
G5.
g6. Sir, pawn to g6. Pawn to g6. Sir.
Pawn to G6, then the king will kill the pawn. That is wrong. First move is knight moment.
Sir, knight to
Sir, knight to sir, knight to
G5.
f6. Sir, knight to
G5 is
f6.
correct. Knight to G5 is
Yes.
correct. Now pawn kills. Now one move checkmate.
Sir, pawn to g6. Pawn to g6.
Pawn to G correct. Now king can't come here. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ?
Sir.
Sir, there is two checkmate. One is pawn. Next is rook.
Checkmate ಕಣೋ. King is killed. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Hmm.
Sir, knight to
Pawn
Sir,
movement.
bishop to E6.
Sir, knight to
Bishop
E5.
to E6.
Pawn
Sir,
movement.
knight
Pawn
to-
movement.
Pawn movement.
Knight to E5. Okay.
Then, sir,
Now one more checkmate. Can you tell? Now one more checkmate.
Q D5.
Q D6.
sir, QA4. Sir, QA4.
D6 is
Q
correct.
D5.
Q D6 is correct. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಿನ ಮುಕುಂದ? Mukunda, did you get it? Mukunda?
Yes, sir.
Now king can't move here or here.
Sir.
White to checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, pawn to F7. Pawn to F7.
Bishop to F7.
Sir, no.
Bishop to F7.
Bishop to H7, not F7. No?
Sir, what if no? What if no?
Pawn cannot move. King cannot move anywhere.
Sir.
White to play. Checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, queen to
Knight moment.
Sir, knight to H7. Knight to H7.
Knight to G6 is correct. Now
Sir.
kills. Now one more checkmate. Can you knight to D6 alla 1 minute. Knight to
So, knight to H7.
H7. No? Oh, knight H7 correct. Knight to now one more checkmate. Can you tell? One more checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, knight to sir, knight to G6. Knight to G6.
knight to D6.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, queen to G6.
Pawn to G6, sir. Pawn to G6.
Queen to G6. Huh? Then
Sir, queen to G6.
knight.
Sir, knight will kill. Now,
Pawn
sir,
to G6, sir. Pawn to G6.
pawn to G6, sir.
Pawn to G6.
Pawn to G6. Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Correct.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆಯೋ? ಯಾಕೋ ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದ್ಯಾ? ಹಲೋ
ಸರ್ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. Why late, Kaustubh?
White to play.
Sir, bishop to F6.
Now,
F5.
moment.
Bishop to
Queen
F5.
moment. Queen sacrifice. Queen sacrifice.
Sir, then queen to
H7.
sir, queen to E5.
Queen
Queen to
to
E5. Sir,
E5,
queen to E5. Queen to E5, sir.
Now if
Sir,
this soldier kills, if this soldier kills,
Sir, bishop C5, sir.
bishop
Bishop
C5.
C5.
Now another soldier kills. If this soldier kills,
Sir, then bishop to G5.
bishop to D5.
G5.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. White to play and checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, queen to E1. Queen to E1.
Oh no, queen moment. Where should it move?
Sir, queen to E3.
Queen to E3, correct. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Sir, Arya, sir. Sir, Arya.
Very good. Now one more checkmate, Yatya.
Sir, bishop to F4.
F4. Bishop to
Bishop to
F4.
F4 is wrong. Bishop where should move?
Sir, bishop to C6. C5. Bishop to C5.
C5 is correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. Correct.
Sir, what if king moves to F2?
King, 1 minute. King cannot move to F2 because bishop King cannot come here or here. Soldier is there.
Okay.
Giving check. King moves to F4, then soldier gives check. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಶೈನಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
Sir.
White to play checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, queen to
QE5.
E. Sir,
QE5.
QE5. Sir, QE5.
E5 ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ. Queen moment.
Sir, Q.
Sir, Sir, QB. Sir, QB4. QB4. QB4.
2H4 is correct. 2H4 is correct. Now king kills, one move checkmate ಇರುತ್ತೀಯಾ? ಬಡಿಲೇಬೇಕು.
Ah, sir. Sir, bishop D8. Bishop D8. Bishop D8.
Correct. Bishop D8.
D8.
Now king can't come here or here. Correct.
Sir, but if king kills the pawn,
King cannot kill the pawn. Queen is supporting it and pawn is supporting it. Now if king can't kill the pawn, because soldier is supporting it.
yes, sir.
White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves. Queen
Sir,
checkmate.
bishop.
Queen.
Sir, bishop.
Queen moment. Queen moment.
Bishop G.
Sir.
Sir, queen.
Sir.
Queen.
Sir, QD2. QD2.
C8.
QD2.
2 F8 is correct. King kills, now one move checkmate ಇರುತ್ತೀಯಾ?
Sir, knight to H7. Knight to H7.
ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ ಕಣ. King can move to G7. Only one move checkmate.
Sir, then knight to D.
Only one move. Bishop moment.
Sir, bishop to H7. Bishop to H6. Bishop to H6.
Now king can't come here or here. Correct.
Huh, sir. Huh, sir. Sir, ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಾ ಸರ್?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕಣ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, queen to H6.
Queen to H6. Now pawn to H6.
Sir, now rook to H7.
Rook to H7, correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. White to play checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, queen to H6.
Queen to H6. Soldier will kill it. What do you do?
Sir, knight to F7. Knight to F7.
Correct. Knight to F7. Correct. King can't come here or here or here. Correct.
Sir, why can't king come to H7?
Bishop is there, no? Bishop is there. Bishop and D3 is king check.
Yes, sir.
White to play checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, bishop to H6.
Queen moment.
Then sir, queen to H6. Queen to H6.
Sir, Q to.
Now pawn to
So
H6.
now, sir, now knight to G7.
Now bishop moment.
Sir, sir, bishop to F6. Bishop to F6.
Now king can't come here or what is the sign and
Yes, sir.
white to play checkmate black in 2 moves.
One.
2 moves. White to play.
Sir, knight to B5. Knight to B5.
No. White to play.
Sir, bishop 8. Bishop 8. So,
Queen moment. Queen.
the queen
Sir,
D8.
Sir, queen to G6. Queen to
Queen
G6,
to-
sir. Queen to G6.
Queen sacrifice. White to play.
Queen to G1. Queen to G1, sir.
B8. Queen to B8 is correct. Now king into B8. Now one more checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, knight to C6. Knight to C6.
Correct. Right to change. Correct. So king can't come here or here or here. Correct. White to play. Checkmate black in.
Sir,
Sir, queen to e7. Queen to e7. Queen to e7.
Queen to f7 correct. Queen,
F7. Sir, F7.
queen to f7. Knight into f7.
Sir, now knight into h7. Knight to h7.
Allah now. Then rook will kill the knight. Only one move. Only one
Sir,
move.
knight to F7. Sir,
Knight
knight to
Sir, knight to d7. Knight to d7. Knight to
Knight to
d7.
d7 check ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Checkmate ಆಗಲ್ಲ. King can move to d8 or e8 or d8. Only one move. White to play. Night moment ಕಣ. Night moment. ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಇನ್ನು 3 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದೆ 3.5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದೆ ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ
Sir, knight to H7.
Knight to e6 is correct. Knight to e6 correct. So king can't come here or here or here. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನಾ ಆನಂದ
Ha, sir.
ಆರ್ಯ
Ha, sir. Ha, sir. Ha, sir.
No king can't come here or here or here. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, queen to d8.
Queen to d8 correct. So knight to d8
Sir, then rook to d8. Checkmate.
correct. Very good correct. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ
ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್.
checkmate black in 2 moves.
Queen C8. Queen
Queen
C8.
c8 is correct. Queen c8 is correct. Now bishop into c8.
R8. R8 sir.
R8
R8.
correct.
R8.
King can't come here or here correct.
Sir, what if pawn goes? No.
No,
Pawn goes to G7 to G6.
it is not possible. So rook is giving check. White to play. White to play.
Sir, queen to g7. Queen to g7.
G6 queen to G6. Now pawn kills. Now one more checkmate is here.
Sir, rook to h8.
Okay, okay. Now king can't come here or here correct.
Sir, what if the other pawn kills, sir?
Other pawn cannot kill because bishop has
Ha, sir. Ha. Okay, sir. Got
all
that.
the pawn is killing. No rook.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
White to play. Checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir,
Queen to E7. Sir,
queen to E7.
Queen
Q
to
E7.
Q is on top. Q f8 correct.
F8.
Now rook kills. One more checkmate is here. Now one more checkmate is here.
Sir, knight to
Sir, knight to c7. Knight to c7.
Knight to c7, then queen will kill the knight. Knight
Sir,
to where
bishop-
should knight movement. Where should knight move? Knight to d6 is correct.
Less than 1 minute.
Now
Class
can I
is-
chant mantra? Can I chant mantra?
Sir,
Ha, sir.
ನಮಸ್ತಂತ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಮೂರ್ತಿ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಪದ ಶಿರೋಭಾವಿ ಸಾಮ್ಯ ಪುರುಷಾರ್ಥ
Mantaram.
ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ 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 ಹೇಗಾಯ್ತು
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
ಹೇಗಾಯ್ತು
Sir, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಯ್ತು, sir. Sir, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಯ್ತು, sir.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಯ್ತು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
ಸರ್ ನಾಳೆಗೂ ಇದೇ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಸರ್.
ನಾಳೆಗೂ ಇದೆ ಲಿಂಕು ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರದಿಂದ 4:15 ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅನ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 4:15 5:20 ತನಕ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅನ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಶನಿವಾರ ಭಾನುವಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೆಲವು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇದೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ
Okay, sir. Okay,
ನಾಳೆ
sir.
ನಾಳೆ ಇದೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 4:15 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆಗತ್ತಾ
ಸರ್ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರದಿಂದ 4:00 ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಆಯ್ತು
Ha, sir.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Thank you, sir.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು